welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be making slime today, part 2. So, yeah. Sorry if you guys can see my sister's toes in the corner.
You can't even.
So, scoot over. Okay. I know you guys can see her shadow now. Stop! Go! Anyway.
You're not going to be famous anyway, so I don't care.
Huh? Trying to get it off the side of the bowl. And the bowl has more activator in it, so yeah.
I gotta go throw some away.
I need to add more. Tie, by the way. That's what I mean by more.
Seems like a high-risk case. We're getting that idea.
Let's get your little butthole. Mark just looks so cute right now. You shush.
I don't even care about your toes a lot of stuff.
Shut up.
She's talking about her toes. Does any of us want to hear about her toes?
Well, Alexa! Using me on power.
God knows where I get this up. Around 2.5 back.
Upstairs. There's one right on the bed. There's one hanging in the bathroom. Don't tell me there's none.
There it is.
What I was going to tell you.
I'm trying.
Can't even close the toilet. I'm at the... Huh? Can't close the tub.
I know, I'm on my phone. But it takes like 20 minutes to wash that.
I'm trying, guys. I really am trying to massage this in here and go quicker. But you can't rush slime if you want it to turn out good. So.
One of Ra's agents.
How many to do a slime haul sometime soon because I really want to do that.
No parent needs gratitude for saving their child. Understood. But before we can begin, there's something that only the two of you can do. Outside gold based upon the fears of his enemies. Conquer your own fear, and you will eliminate that critical advantage. For you, there is only one place on Earth uniquely suited to doing that.
Okay, it's activated enough. See, it's not even sticky anymore. Let me show you.
Ordinarily, I wouldn't do this, but it's for you.
It's really stretchy. It's activated enough. So I'm going to put some color in it. I want to make a purple slime. Let's use this purple. I don't know how much I'm going to use. It's not coming out. Just give me a sec. You guys. Hold on. It's not working, so I'm gonna make a red slime because that'll definitely work. What? Time out. I'll be right back, guys. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've decided to make a green slime. I changed my mind about that, so let's use this green. Okay. I just wanted to see what type of difference it actually makes. I literally got some on my hands already. And then I'm just gonna drop some in 3 drops and mix it, I guess. Okay, and mix it. I thought the video ended. I was about to be upset. So I'm mixing it in, guys. It's so good. I absolutely love it already. It's like a light blue right now. It's hard to get slimes to turn a color when they're big and you add 3 drops. But I wanted to start off slow and to see what color it would change to at the end. So it's a light blue. I actually really like this blue, but I want a green, guys. So, yeah. I want a green, not a blue. Okay, I'm gonna add some more drops, guys. Okay. 3 more drops. And then mix. It's not that bad. You can just easily mix it like this. I can't get it to turn green, which totally sucks. But this is a pretty cool color. Let me see. Can I get it? It's a little bit more green in real life. Maybe I'll add just a couple more drops and then quit, because I feel like this is making the slime stiffer. So 1, 2, 3. 3 more drops were added. I forgot that you guys couldn't see at that angle. I'm sorry about that. I added 3 more drops. Now I'm mixing it together with the slime. Oh, sorry about that. Woo! Went on my leg. Okay. Woo. Okay. Okay. Had to get it off my leg. See, it's not even that bad. It's pretty, stretchy still. And that is the end of this video. I'm gonna make a swirl and then show you guys what it looks like, and then that will be the end of this video. It'll be like 11 minutes and 30 seconds maybe. So by the time I get to make the swirl, because it's not turning out good so far. So. See what I'm talking about, y'all. I'm trying to get a really good swirl, but it's not turning out. And now it's time to make it. Okay, it was pretty good, but then I squeezed it so I could get it off my hand, and it was bad, so. This is the slime. You guys, let me show you without light. But it's a little bit more greener in real life, like I said before. Now I'm just gonna film me putting it in the bag that I'm gonna put it in. Okay. Okay, now I'm just trying to put it in the bag for one. Okay, hold on a sec. You guys, it's literally sticking to my hands. Ooh, guys. Now I'm just turning the bag back inside, right?
Yeah, what?